Hi, this is Tim Greer with Rinnai's technical training team, and we are at our Peachtree City, Georgia headquarters dojo training facility. And in this session of Rinnai Tech Tips, we're going to talk about how to remove and inspect the combustion fan for most Rinnai non-condensing tankless models. Now, as always, please refer to the installation manual and any other official technical documents of each specific model. If you're not qualified to work on this type of equipment, please call someone that is. So why would we need to remove and inspect the combustion fan? Well, just like we spoke earlier about removing and inspecting the burner, many of the common error codes that we see could involve removing the combustion fan and inspecting it. These include a code 10, which is an issue with air movement through the product, a code 11, which is a failure for the burner to ignite, and a code 12, which is a failure to maintain flame after ignition. Also, any debris in the fan blades could cause excessive noise, leading to removal and inspection. So let's get right to it. Now, this procedure is virtually the same between outdoor and indoor models, and we'll call out the few differences between older models and newer models as well. We're going to remove the cover, turn off the gas, and remove power. Remember to keep up with all of the screws. Each are unique to their respective areas. For indoor models and RE outdoor models, you'll want to remove the controller bracket. Now you can let this rest to the side. This is 2 screws on RE outdoor models and a single screw on all other models. For RE models, you'll also need to remove this single screw securing the igniter module. For RL and V-Series models, you'll want to unplug these 3 solenoid plugs. Now we're only going to remove the fan motor and the squirrel cage. We're not removing the whole assembly. Ensure you only remove the screws shown here. Notice in the images it varies slightly by model. Older models and RE outdoor models have 3 screws, while older indoor models have 4. Carefully pull the fan out of the assembly. To inspect the fan, ensure there is no debris in the squirrel cage and it spins freely. Inspect the fan housing for any debris and also for any water. If you find any water, the heat exchanger may be leaking. So you'll want to pull the burner and inspect the bottom side of the heat exchanger for any leakage. Check out a separate video on how to pull the burner. Now, if you need to unplug or plug in the fan, ensure there is no power connected to the water heater. Now, if you are replacing the fan, be sure to read the instructions carefully. There's a PC board and fan pairing procedure that must be followed carefully. Older indoor models require dip switch settings based on the fan class assignment of the replacement part. RE models require a fan matching process using the A and B buttons on the PC board. The instructions will be included with the new fan. Now you'll replace everything in the reverse order that you took it apart. Remember, if you're plugging the fan in, ensure the water heater is isolated from power. If you have any other issues along the way, remember you can always call our call center for additional support. Thank you.